Hi, I'm Ava. Today we're going to take a focused look at PXT Select and how it helps organizations reduce turnover, improve performance, and make more confident talent decisions. If hiring mistakes are costing you time, productivity, or revenue, this is designed to address that directly. Most hiring failures aren't random. They happen when organizations rely on resumes, interviews, and instinct alone. The result? Inconsistent performance. Early turnover. Salespeople who don't sell. Customer service teams that struggle. Leaders promoted without true alignment. PXT Select was built to reduce that risk. PXT Select is a comprehensive whole-person assessment. It measures 3 critical dimensions that drive performance: cognitive abilities, behavioral traits, occupational interests. Cognitive abilities include verbal and numerical reasoning and skills, how someone processes information and solves problems. Behavioral traits measure how someone interacts, communicates, leads, and responds under pressure. Occupational interests reveal what naturally motivates an individual, whether the work energizes or drains them. Performance depends on all 3. Before assessing candidates, we define success. We build a performance model for the role, often using existing employees who have demonstrated success in your organization. Candidates then complete the online assessment. It takes approximately 40 to 60 minutes. No proctoring is required. Results are scored immediately. Candidates are benchmarked against clearly defined performance criteria. This shifts the decision from who do we like to who aligns. Managers receive a suite of detailed reports which include: the comprehensive selection report compares one candidate to one performance model with fit analysis and customized interview questions. The coaching report, a development-focused report with personalized coaching guidance aligned to the performance model. Multiple candidates report, a side-by-side comparison of multiple candidates against a single performance model to support objective selection. Multiple positions report, compares one candidate to multiple roles to determine best fit placement or career path alignment. Team report, provides behavioral overview of a team to improve collaboration, dynamics, and performance alignment. Manager-employee report, shows behavioral alignment by comparing manager and employee styles to strengthen working relationships. Sales selection report, for sales-focused hiring with critical sales practices analysis and sales-specific interview questions. The leadership report, evaluates leadership potential across 6 core leadership skills with strengths, challenges, and interview questions. In all, PXT Select provides 13 different reports, depending on how the data is applied. It does not replace professional judgment. It strengthens it with objective insight. When organizations use PXT Select properly, they see measurable results: reduced turnover, stronger productivity, improved performance, more consistent customer service, and more defensible leadership decisions, because people are placed into roles that align with how they think, behave, and are motivated. When combined with occupational DNA, PXT Select becomes even more powerful. We don't just measure people. We define what success looks like in your specific roles. Then we measure alignment to that model. That's how hiring becomes structured and predictable. If reducing hiring risk and improving performance are priorities in your organization, the next step is simple. Let's define what success looks like in your roles. Then measure alignment with structure. Schedule a focused conversation. We'll review your needs, discuss your roles, and determine how PXT Select can support your business outcomes. Let's talk. Call us at 1-800-434-2630 or visit heassessmentcompany.com. Better people decisions start with clarity and start with PXT Select.